Let's go!
I'm back. Thoughts? Should have been thought, but I thought them. It's a lot of other races that refuse to wear deodorant. I was sitting on the bus one day because my car broke down. This lady stood up above me, holding on to the damn bar, trying to keep from falling. I thought she had raw chicken in her damn pocket. That bitch was so damn funky. I know she didn't have no hair up under her arms. If it was burnt off from the severity of the stench. I don't understand how you can walk around and be that damn stank and don't offend even yourself. I wish she would have fell on the floor and burnt the damn face on the pavement so she could go to the hospital and get the underarm snatched off. Because that would have been the first thing they would have checked. They would have been like, what does that smell? Ooh, what does that smell?
What does that smell?
Sniff her body till you get to them damn armpits. They got to be itchy. They got to be itchy. That's how the ape used to do. Even the ape know how to scratch his armpits. Ooh, Y'all need to start wearing deodorant. I know, I talked to one Arabian, and he claimed, oh, it's like, the odor is like a aphrodisiac. It's an aphrodisiac. Man, you are retarded. And you need to stop being a follower of bull dumb shit. So that's what you smell like. It's a wonder her skin was still intact. Probably she would have held her arm up any damn longer. Dust would have started shooting out from the damn armpits because I was waiting for her to get off of the bus. It seemed like that damn 5-minute ride went on for 4.5 hours. That's how bad the funk was among us. Stop being a follower of dumb funky shit. Stop being a follower of dumb shit.
Dumb.